Now let's discuss the problems related to complementary angles and the supplementary angles. Let's start with the complementary angle first. Find the measure of an angle which is 24 more than its complementary. Okay, so it's given there are two angles, angle itself and its complementary. So first of all, let's start with the angle. Let angle be x degree, right? So what will be its complement? So complement will be 90 minus x degree, right? Very simple logic it is, right? If we take the angle, then it will be x degree, and complement will be what? Subtract from the 90 degree. Very simple. Now let's talk about this statement which is given over here. That's very interesting. It's given angle which is 24 more than its complementary. So let's write first of all in the form of equation. Angle is 24. More means what? Plus. More than which angle? It's complementary. It's complementary. Now we have the value of angle, that is x degree. We have the value of complement, that is 90 minus x degree. 24 is the number we know very well. So let's substitute these values over here so we can solve it. X degree is equal to 24 plus, here let's write 90 minus x, right? This is the linear equation in one variable. Very simple. We need to solve for the x, so we get the what? Angle. That's what we need to find, right? Find the measure of an angle. So let's shift this x over here. So x, this is minus x, it will become plus x over here, and 24 and 90 will give 104 degree. So here we can write 2x is equal to 104 degree. So x is equal to what? 104 divided by 2. So value of x is 57 degree. Simple. And if you want to find the complement of it, that is 90 degree minus 57, that is 33 degree. Very simple, right? So this is the very simple case of the complement angle. You will be having some relation like this over here. Angle is equal to 24 plus more than its complement. Suppose if you had the case of ratio, that two complementary angles are in the form of ratio 4/5, then how do we do that? In that case, you need to take one angle as the 4x, another angle as the 5x. Done? Now, if we add those two angles, what shall we get? 90 degree. Why? Because they are complementary. So 4x plus 5x will give you 9x is equal to 90 degree. So x is equal to 90 degree by 9, that is 10 degree. Now if we want the value of the angle, so we can write 4 multiplied by 10, that is 40 degree, and another is 5x, that is 5 multiplied by 10, that is 50 degree. And you can check, if you add 40 plus 50, you'll get 90 degree. So this is the another case value where you have the ratio form of the angle, right? This is some relation given over here, but this is of the form ratio. So you can have many variations in this concept, it's possible, but the basic idea is to understand the relation which is given over here properly, right? Which are the two quantities and what is the relation, like linear equation we discussed. So this is how we solve this sum related to complementary angle. Now let's solve sum related to supplementary angles. Let's discuss one sum related to supplementary angle. That's very simple, though. Let's start. Find the supplement of 3/5 of a right angle. We need to find a supplement of 3/5 of a right angle. Okay, so first of all, let's take an angle. How to get an angle? That's most important. Angle is what? 3/5 of right angle, right? This is it. Now, so we know the value of right angle, right? That's simple. What's 90 degree it is? So 90 degree here if we do cancellation, we get 18, and 18 threes is 54. So we have the angle. Now we need to find the supplement of it. So let's find the supplement that is supplementary angles are 180 degree minus 54 degree. So if you subtract, you are going to get 106 degree, 126 degree, right? So that's very simple question, nothing much to do. But here you have the angle in the form of right angle. So first of all get the angle, then subtract from 180. Here also we can have the form of ratio like we did in complementary angle. Let's say the two angles are in the ratio 4/5, right? Then two angles will be 4x plus 5x. But if we add up, in this case we are supposed to get 180 degree because this is the case of supplementary angle. So let's do it. 4 and 5 will give you 9x is equal to 180 degrees. So x is equal to 180 degree divided by 9. 9 ones are 9, 20s are. So x is equal to what? 20 degree. So if we want the 4x, that is 4 multiplied by 20 degree. So that is 80 degree. And 5x is equal to 5 multiplied by 20 degree. That's 100 degree. And if you add them up, you are going to get 180 degree. That's the condition for the supplementary angles. Very simple to do, right? Just the most important part of this types of questions is to form the equation properly. If you have the correct equation, it's all about the simplification. That's most important point. You need to read the equation properly, understand it, and make the proper equation. Now let's do one question, which is the combination of complementary and supplementary angle. Let's start with the question which is of the complement and the supplement together. Let's start. Find the measure of an angle if 6 times its complement is 12 less than twice its supplement. So the sentence is very long. Hold on, right? So find the measure of an angle, right, if it's 6 times its complement. So first of all, we need to have angle, then we need to have the complement, and we need to have this supplement as well, right? So first of all, let's start without any confusion. So first of all, let's take an angle. Angle is equal to x degree, right? Now we need to find the complement. That is, complement will be what? 90 minus x degree. And you want to find the supplement, that is 180 degree minus x, right? So we have angle, we have complement, we have supplement, and we have the relation as well in the question. So let's start. 6 times its complement. Let's write here that 6 times its complement is 12 less than, let's write 12 less than twice its supplement. There is a reason I have written this sentence again, right? Because we need to form the equation. I told you previously, it's all about how you make the equation. If you make the equation correctly, you are going to get the correct answer. Otherwise, you are not going to get it. Okay. So first of all, remember one thing. Wherever is written, it's all about equal to sign, right? Equation has the equal to sign, right? Obviously, we know very well. Expression equal to expression. So LHS is equal to RHS. So let's start with the LHS. 6 times its complement. So 6 means number 6, times means multiply. Its complement. What is the complement? 90 degree minus x. So 90 degree minus x is means what? Equal to. Done. So LHS is done. Okay, try to understand each and every word and convert into the mathematical form. That will be easy. Now 12 less. 12 less means what? We are going to subtract. Now if we are going to subtract, we need two quantities, then only we can subtract. So two quantities are, we have the number 12 and another is twice its supplement, right? Twice means what? Multiply by 2, right? So let's start. 2 multiply by supplement. Supplement is 180 degree minus x, and we need to subtract how much? 12 we need to subtract. So minus 12 we need to do that. Remember, don't write, students generally write like this, 12 minus 2 times into 180 minus x. No, it's given 12 less than, right? We need to take 12 less than what from this. So you need to have specific quantity. From that you need to subtract the 12. Don't mention that subtraction part first, right? Students do write it 12 minus whatever, but that's the incorrect equation. So let's solve it. First of all, let's open the bracket. So 6 into 90, that is 540 degree, and 6 into x, that is minus 6x. Same over here, 2 into 180, that is 360 degree, and 2 into x, that's minus 2x, and here 12 it is. Done. Now you can see there are two x, right? And you have the two terms with the x in it and rest are number. So this is linear equation in one variable. Simple to solve. Collect all the x on the one side and numbers on the another side. Here we are going to collect all the numbers on this side, because see, this is negative over here. If I want positive, I need to shift that side. So that's what I'm going to do. So 540, and let's call 360 over here. So that will become negative, and the number 12 as well, so that will become positive, right? On the RHS side you have minus 2x, right? And we are shifting 6x over there, so that will become plus 6x. So 540 minus 360, that is 180 degree, plus 12, here minus 2x plus 6, that is 4x. Now let's add them up. 2, 9 and 1 is equal to 4x. Now 4 goes into denominator is equal to x. 4 ones are here, 4 fours are. Then we have 3 and 2. So 8s are. So value of x is 48. Now what is x? See our assumption. X is the value of angle, and what we need to find the measure of an angle if this is the condition, right? So that's what we did. We used the concept of complementary angle along with the supplementary angle. The most important part of this sum is about this sentence. If you can express correctly in the form of mathematical equation, you will be getting the correct answer. Next, you need to be careful about the simplification of the equation, right, to get the solution of this equation. So this was the topic of complementary angles and the supplementary angles.